Got a nice sweaty glow going. Alright, so today we are going to be doing some shoulders and some back. You know what I'm saying? So if you're interested in doing a nice little quick workout to get that sexy back and some nice rounded shoulders, which don't judge me, okay? I'm trying to get my shoulders back, all right? But that's why we're here. So I'm going to take you through a quick little workout. Everything will be listed down in the description. I got your back, don't worry. Also, I incorporated a little overview of some resistance bands that I got from Amazon, which you'll see hanging around here, slithering back there. I actually put some on as well for the booty, so stay tuned for that. But if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe so you are notified on the next time that I upload. My name is Kat. I upload fitness, workouts, lifestyle, and sometimes product reviews. So yeah, that's me. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Everything is going to be listed down in the description so you can screenshot the workout and take it with you whenever you want to work out. All right, I love you guys. Let's work out.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that workout. If you're still here, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. As promised, I wanted to mention the workout bands that I was using in the video, or resistance bands that I was using. These I got from Amazon because Amazon is bae, you know what I'm saying? So just wanted to quickly go over them and tell you what I think. I was a little confused at first because these go up to 150 pounds, if I'm not mistaken, for what it said on Amazon. But you would think that the colors mean something, but it doesn't. They're all 30 pounds each. So I figured it out after a little bit of trial and error. I was like, oh, you have to put them all into the loop, and then it increases the difficulty and the weight. So if I got 1 and 2 together, this would equal 60 pounds of resistance. Obviously, if you want to add all the rest, that's what that will do. So it brings 4 of these, 4 yellow, black, green, and Z red. Like I said, they're all 30 pounds. They bring 2 handles for you to grab onto, obviously, because you have 2 hands, duh. It also brings one of these things that they call an extender, so you can use it to maybe do like a lunge on it, as like you're stepping on it like a lunge, and then use the other side to curl for a little bit more of a concentration curl, or anything your little heart desires, or even for some donkey kicks. That's what I'm mainly using it for, because it has really helped to activate the hamstring as well, which is hamstring goals. You know what I'm saying? We're going to continue to build those hamstrings, especially for bikini competitors. That is an essential body part to focus on. It brings this guy. So what you do, this is what you put through the door. What you do is you grab your resistance bands, you pull it through to the center of the band, obviously connect your handle straps, or not handle straps, but like just your handles to it, and then you do your workouts from there. So you can either put this at the top of the door, the side of the door, or even the bottom of the door, which I've been doing some pull throughs between my legs to kind of just do some hip thrust action in a standing motion with the resistance band, and I was like, okay. I could feel the booty just squeeze so much more, and it's a totally different feeling from what I have been doing here at home working out. So I'm really glad that I got these, because they're just gonna help change things up a bit, because my gym is open. They just opened this week. But if you're like me, you're probably very nervous to go back to a gym. And personally, I'm only gonna go back to the gym to train with my coach. Every other day that I have to work out for my show, I'm gonna be doing that here at home, just because I don't wanna take any risks. There's still very high chance for people to catch COVID, and I'm not about that life. I'm gonna try and minimize the amount of time that I go into a place where there's a lot of contact, sweat, you know, all that crazy stuff. So adding these to my routine is literally going to be a game changer. So I'm super excited for these. Did I mention that it also has a strap? So it brings 2 of these, so you can put on your ankles. And I have been using these to kind of do like some kickbacks. I step on part of the resistance band on the ground, and the opposite leg where the strap is connected to, I use that to do a kickback and kind of like, you know, activate the glutes a little bit more and feel just a nice little pump in the glutes, which feels amazing. I wouldn't recommend like putting both straps and then trying to do that, because the straps are pretty long. So at least I'm short as heck. I'm 5'2.5". So if you have longer legs than I do, you'd probably be fine strapping this. But if you really want to just feel more resistance, I recommend stepping on it. So yeah, I think that covers everything that is in these resistance bands. It also brings a pouch so you can keep it contained. But yeah, I think these are going to be a great addition to my workout studio that we have here. I do have my Peloton that I do for cardio, my dumbbells, just a very basic amount of dumbbells, and then my barbell back there, which I will also link down below. This barbell I got last summer and it loads up to 55 pounds. I will link that in the description as well in case you're interested. I'm not sure if it will be available, but I'll definitely link it there just in case it is. So yeah, I'll also link these down in the description box below as well in case you guys are interested. So that is going to conclude this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to say thank you so much for showing so much love in my last Amazon activewear haul try-on first impressions video. I'll link that up there in case you haven't watched it. But you guys, like, so many likes on that video, so many views on that video, like really quickly. I'm just like, wow, okay. Thank you. Seriously, I love you guys so much. Just wanted to say thank you, and I appreciate all of the support that you guys give me. If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on those notification bells to know when the next time I upload. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.